What's up guys, my name's Nelson. Welcome to TL's Auto. Today I'm inside a 2009 Toyota Camry. Woo, she sounds good. Today I'm with my mom.
Hello everybody. We're unboxing on a Camry. I know it's pretty spacious, but this box is pretty good too.
Well, they sent us some headlights. Special thanks to AutoSaver88 for sending us these headlights. Right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh my god, this box is huge.
I know, it's pretty big.
I think the unboxing in the car was not the greatest. These out and then we'll see what they look like without the box. This was in good shape and the packaging was in good shape. It just comes with this. This is all I found in the box.
And they look
wow,
very good. No, they look
really clean. Wow, we got the black housing headlights, and go make sure to check out AutoSaver88. They got a lot of cool auto parts at really good prices too, competitive prices right there on Amazon. All right, let's peel this off.
They're new.
I mean, they're beyond new. They're super nice. What do you think, Mom?
I think they're very, very good.
Gonna look good on this Camry?
They're gonna look great.
Oh my god, I can't wait to install these. They look so good. Guys, let's go put them on. Thanks, Mom, for being here.
All right, Nico.
You gonna clean up for me? This is my first ever sponsorship video. So I'm super excited and I really can't wait to get this. It's gonna be a little different today. Today we're gonna install headlights. Take a look at these headlights up close. I have the old headlight, AutoSaver88 headlight. All the tabs are the same. Compound polished headlights every single day. You can see I redid these already. Little tiny things that you just cannot get, and you can see how they're already, even though it's been a month or 2 months, already starting to get a little bit yellow. Take it from me, someone that does headlights every day, there's nothing like getting brand new headlights. $130. It took me about an hour to do the headlights on this. Someone's gonna charge you about, you know, $30 to $60 a light, so that's about $120 to get these redone. And they didn't hit all the spots. They still look good, they look brand new, but I mean, how can you compare this to that? You just can't. AutoSaver88 to save you time, it's gonna save you money. I mean, damn, these look really good. It looks like they have silicone everywhere, which is something that I like. We're gonna install these. I'm gonna wash the car, drive it around, and we're gonna see how it does with these. Extra thing right here, and I believe if your vehicle has HIDs, you know, mine's the LE, so it doesn't have it, but that's so sick that it has that. And to replace these headlights, it's actually pretty easy. We're gonna be going from the top, bottom. So we didn't put it up on the ramp. Check all the lift points. Everything is exactly where it's supposed to be. Look how easy this is. You're just gonna go and pop all these pins out first. I got mostly all of them out just by hand. Next, our 10. Weird guy. This guy's just a little bit more complicated, but I think I can get him. Right there, that's him. There you go, got him. Sweet. That's everything for the top part here. The sides and the bottom to do. So we have something on the wheel well here. This guy, we're just gonna turn him. Pry it loose. Use your pry tool, pull this back, and there's a 10mm right there. Once that one bolt is removed, peel this off a bit. Oh, there you go. My Camry is missing the cover. That's down here. Would have some more 10mm bolts here. There's nothing else holding my cover on, so it really should fall off. But as you can see, removing everything, it doesn't just fall off. All the screws are still intact. And yeah, I mean, it still has a little bit of a gap right here. And then right here, nice and flush. So yeah, it's about the same as the other one. There we go. Here one is the center one, or the top one. Top headlight. Bottom headlight. That's the way I'm calling them, so I don't get myself confused. And then the tiny one. And this guy is kind of odd, but you kind of just go like that and then wiggle them. And he's out. Let's show you guys how to install them. In one goes right in the center or the top, whatever you want to call it. Boom. Try to get you some light. Boom.
The big one. It's a big one. Okay. This tiny one.
That looks good. All right. That one looks like this clip went right on. Awesome. But this one over here is not. Come on, baby. There we go. Nice little pop. We have 2 screws. Here. Here. And then we have 1 bolt. And that guy goes here, and you can see it's lined up right there. Yeah, it's lined up perfectly. Man, I lifted it up, so. The thing I wanted to show you guys was how to install them. That's, you know, that takes heart, takes talent, it takes everything. And man, how good do those look? Ugh. Just gonna throw it all up here. Well, this Camry has this metal type thing here, and I basically just rose it all the way up and just basically threw it right on top. And yeah, without any bolts or anything, it stays. Oh my god, look at those black headlights. They're cool, huh? I think they're really nice. Wow. All right. Right? Yeah, I think they look cool. All right, look at that, perfect. This guy goes up here. Ow. Was in the back. Here's that clip. This guy does not want to cooperate. Are you gonna cooperate? Yeah, he was right in the middle. All my tools. I got a bunch of screwdrivers, ratchets, extensions, my pry tools, just about everything that I need. And I got a little bit of extra of everything just in case, because you never know. My final thoughts on these headlights is just wow. Unboxing them, they were just beautiful. Installing them was easy. Adjusting them, a little bit of finessing, but I got them perfectly, and the visibility is great all the way. You can see to my left, you can see to my right, you can see straight ahead. This is just the best way to go. Buying brand new headlights is the best way to go. And AutoSaver88 at $130, I mean, that's a steal for these. Like the video, comment, subscribe for more videos. Thanks, guys.